Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today we're making delicious and healthy sweet potato and black bean tacos. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 medium sweet potatoes, 1 can of black beans, olive oil, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, tortillas, avocado, cilantro, feta or cotija cheese, and lime wedges. These ingredients are tasty and packed with nutrients. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, toss diced sweet potatoes with olive oil, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper until evenly coated. Spread the seasoned sweet potatoes on a baking sheet in a single layer and roast them for 20 to 25 minutes, tossing halfway through. This will give your sweet potatoes a tender inside and crispy outside. Next, we'll prepare the black beans and warm the tortillas. While the sweet potatoes are roasting, heat the black beans in a small saucepan over medium heat, adding a pinch of salt and pepper. Meanwhile, warm your tortillas in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 30 seconds on each side, making them pliable and lightly browned. Next, we'll bring all the delicious elements together to create the perfect taco. Now it's time to assemble the tacos. Fill each tortilla with roasted sweet potatoes and black beans. Add creamy avocado slices, a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, and a crumble of feta or cotija cheese. Ensure every taco is packed with flavor and texture. With these vibrant ingredients coming together, you're ready to serve up an irresistible and healthy meal. Next, we'll show you how to perfectly present these tacos and add your own twist. Stay tuned for the final touch. Serve the tacos with lime wedges on the side for squeezing over the top. For extra flavor, add sautéed bell peppers, onions, or corn. For a spicier twist, try diced jalapeno in the sweet potatoes or top with hot salsa. Enjoy your delicious and healthy sweet potato and black bean tacos. Remember, cooking is about exploring. Get creative with your variations.